Well, hello and welcome back. It's Dominic, and I've got some great news. I took a couple good trades today, and I am green again. So, 2 green days in a row. Things are looking positive. I'm following my trading guidelines that I've set forth, and I'm sticking to my rules, and it's paying off. Today I was up $66. Now, once again, I'm trading 2 micros. I took a total of 3 trades today. I had one failed trade and 2 trades that were successful, and up $66. So that's really good progress, and I'm very hopeful for the future. But today I'm going to go over the trades. I did do a printout of the trades today, and we're just going to go over step by step what the trades were, what I was thinking, and why I took the trades. So let's jump right into that. Here we go. So as you can see, here we are on the market. This is kind of where I was and what I was thinking. Now, this is a screenshot, so it's not the highest quality. But basically what I had going on here is I had a structure down here, and what I did is I took, it's kind of too bad because I don't have the highlighted structures that I took except for my second trade, or my third trade, which was here. But I had a structure that was here. Actually, this is it. And then also, basically what I had was an order block that extended. This was my order block here. And this is where I took my first trade. Unfortunately, my order block really should have extended down to here, but I only had it here. So I got in my trade at this point right here. And it went a little deeper than I had anticipated. It honestly just ticked me out. It was like maybe 1 tick past my stop loss, and then it turned around. And then I recognized that I had my order block put in incorrectly. So I jumped back into the trade again here because I realized that it was respecting my order block, and I just had it placed incorrectly. So I jumped back into the trade here after it failed. And then it started going my way. I went for a 2-to-1 from this location to there, and I was surpassed it, and I went ahead and took my trade off here. And after that trade, I was up like, I think I was up like $20 or something like that after that trade. So with the fail and then the successful trade, I was up $20. And then it came up into this order block, which I have marked here. I let it get to the center of that order block, put my stop loss about 2 or 3 ticks above that order block. And I went for a 2-to-1 risk to reward, and it came down and it filled right here. And after that trade, I was up $66, and I called it a day. And so this is what this says here, $66. As you can see, my net liquidation is at $23,925. And that's better. That's a lot better than it was, because I was down $1,200, actually like $1,250, and so I was at like 23,700 or something like that. So I'm working my way back up, and this is promising. This is good stuff here. So in case you guys are curious about my trading style that I'm currently using, my biggest hurdle that I'm trying to get past is sticking with my trade, letting it fill. And one of the issues I've run into in the past, and it's the trading psychology issue that so many people have struggled with, and that is allowing your trade to go to take profit. It's so hard to resist jumping out of a trade when it's at 1-to-1 risk to reward, just going, gosh, that's good enough, and not allowing it to go to take profit. And that's what's failing me a lot. You know, the one thing that you'll hear time and again, if you pay attention or you follow anybody's rules or guidelines, is they'll tell you, you almost never jump out of a trade before it hits your stop loss if it's heading towards your stop loss. You always allow it to go to your stop loss. And that means you should always allow it to go to your take profit. That's what you should always do. If anything on your stop loss, you're always moving your stop loss further out and then allowing it to go to your stop loss. You never do that with your take profit. You're never moving your take profit farther out and letting it go to your take profit. And once you get to that point where you're going to move your take profit out and allow it to go to your take profit, that's when you're getting over that hump, you know, finding that confidence. And so I look for things that build that confidence for me. And one of the things I'm going to point out here, so here, for instance, one of my trades that I take is based on this this candle series right here. So you have two bullish candles followed by a bearish candle. And what I was already in this trade up here, and my take profit was just a couple ticks below this bearish candle. And I was really hesitant to stay in this trade, but I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to let it go to take profit. And one of the things I know about this pattern is that what happens is if you get two bullish candles followed by a bearish candle, that next bearish candle, if it breaks that low of the bearish candle, it will go at least 7 to 8 ticks. That's actually one of my trade strategies that I've used in the past. And this is about 90% effective, that it goes that extra 7 to 8 ticks. And I only needed like 2 or 3 more. So as soon as I was watching this, and as soon as this bearish candle was broken by the next candle, I was very confident that my target was going to fail, and it sure did. And this actually, I don't have any pictures showing, but after this, it actually came down even further. I could have gotten quite a bit more out of this. But that's fine. I'm going 2 to 1 right now. I'm happy with where it came out, and we've kept it alive, and we're going to keep going. All right, so happy trading to all you guys out there. I hope you guys are having green days, and I wish you guys the best of luck, and stick with me for the journey, and we'll see how it ends up. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Bye.